And hello there, 30 Minutes fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what I have here is a new type of 30-minute missions for mecha. We have the Levinix Type A. Yes, I think this is from a new faction of the 30 minutes mission. And this is, I guess, their flagship mecha. And as you can see, the box art, it looks cool. There are some energy blades, energy shields, that kind of stuff. And then off to the side, here it is, 11XA. Of course, the mobility is shown here. Some of the gimmicks is also shown here. And of course, you can still customize it. And off to the other side, here it is with 30 minutes mission, wherein you can customize it depending on which or how. And yeah, same information. So let's take a look inside the box and see what we have it. We have one bag of old gray with two screws, sorry, three screws inside and some poly tops there. We have another bag with white, black, and clear violet. Another bag still with a clear violet, black, and then all white. And then of course here we have the instruction manual of Levinix Type A, and I think it is here that it says that this is from a new faction. I think, yeah, it's the Horizon. And yep, and of course you can customize it however you want. Right, so let's take a look individually at each of the sprues. Alright, first off we have the A sprue here, which is all white. Of course, these are parts of the armor. I think there's also some parts of the weapon here, I see, the gun, yeah. And it also has an A2, which again is all white, and of course some parts of the armor. Probably the head, the legs are still here, alright. We have a B sprue or B1, which is all black. Some parts of the armor or the mecha and the weapon I can see. Same with the B2 here. Some parts of the armor and of course of the weapons. We have the C sprue here, which I guess the limbs, yeah, joints, manipulators are here. And it has a D1, which is the energy weapon and shield, I guess, and of course it has a D2, still with the energy weapons and shields. Of course, it has an additional sprue, which is the JA5 or the joints, I guess, and of course some polycaps. And there you have it, 30 minutes fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the Levinix Type A, which is a new mecha or the flagship mecha from a new region or new faction, which is Axiom from the 30 minutes mission lore. And this is Mixer saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, sharing the videos, commenting, and until next time, see you and thank you.